Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying that both tanks and the compressor share compatible PSI limits and thread types. This prevents leaks and safety failures. Once confirmed, drain both tanks and shut off power to avoid accidental pressurization. Position the extra tank close enough for a short run of piping and under the same elevation to limit siphoning. Now install the isolation valve on the extra tank inlet using Teflon tape and pipe dope. Hand tighten, then torque to spec so threads seal properly and repeatable. Next, connect the compressor outlet to the extra tank with properly sized piping. Choose 1/2 or 3/4 depending on flow needs to minimize pressure drop. Install a check valve at the compressor outlet to prevent backflow into the pump, and add unions so you can remove the tank without cutting pipes. Then fit a T to fit a manual drain and a pressure relief valve on the extra tank. Make sure gauges are visible on both tanks so you can monitor equalization during operation. You finish by charging the system slowly. With the compressor running at low load, crack open the isolation valve and watch both gauges rise together to ensure proper equalization. Once pressures match, fully open the valve and let the receiver fill, then check the system for leaks with soapy water, tightening or retaping any suspect joints. If the pump begins short cycling or pressures don't equalize, suspect undersized piping, a faulty check valve, or incorrect pressure switch settings, adjust or replace components and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.